So I'm going to show you how to download OBS Studio on your MacBook Neo. Now to do this, simply go to your browser. Of course, you need to be connected to the internet. And then in your browser, you want to search for OBS Studio. Then go to the OBS Studio website. It's going to be obsproject.com. That's the official website URL. And then you want to go and find the macOS download. So click on that. And then, of course, since we are on the MacBook Neo, choose the latest version. So, of course, we don't have Apple Silicon here. We do have the A18 chip from the iPhone 18 Pro, but you want to select Apple Silicon. It's the closest thing you're going to find that will work or will be compatible with the MacBook Neo. So once you get that downloaded, you want to navigate to the downloads folder, and you should see OBS, the DMG file. Double click on it, and then drag it to the applications folder, release, and that's going to install the software. Once you're done, just close that. You can even close the browser. And now OBS Studio is installed. So if you go to Spotlight and look for OBS Studio, you should see it there as an app. Double click on it to launch it, and you can set it up on your MacBook Neo for screen recording and streaming and anything you might want to do. So this, of course, these are settings that you can change later. So I'm going to hit continue. OBS would like to access the microphone, of course. So I'm going to grant it access. Okay, all that stuff. Usage information, optimize for streaming. I'm going to optimize for recording. Now, depending on what you want to do with OBS, you can choose the necessary setting. Use the current setting, next, apply settings. And there is OBS Studio. With that installed, you can now delete this file just to save space on your MacBook Neo. You don't need it anymore. Thanks for watching and good luck.